Puts his tortoises in the refrigerator for several months every single year. It's completely harmless as long as the turtle is big and healthy. This is a method used to simulate winter, which puts the turtle into a state called brumation. Brumation is hibernation for reptiles, and their metabolism slows down so much that their heart will only beat once every 10 minutes. No, this is not animal abuse, and many turtle and tortoise owners do this to give their pet a natural feeling of being out in the wild.
I need you!
Scientists have discovered that when they turn off the lights, all the bees in this box immediately drop to the ground, and they're not sure why.
My Reese we having, bro.
Bruh,
Yeah.
they was smoking that cot at night.
Yeah.
Oh!
Someone wanted to show off a new computer they got, but while peeling off the plastic, it generated static electricity. The static electricity ended up shocking and breaking the PC.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
A few years ago, the US Navy had an interesting conversation with the Chinese Navy.
This is the Chinese Navy, this is the Chinese Navy, this is the Chinese terrorist guy. Please go away quickly in order to run judgment.
I am a United States military aircraft conducting lawful military activities outside national airspace. I am operating with due regard as required under international law.
This airplane engine is sucking in the moisture from the air. This dog found some bioluminescent water to swim in. This poor guy forgot to put his car in park. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.